Hello, good morning and welcome. We'll start with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We're 6-1 short on the commercials. Um, we get that from the difference between the long and the short position. So if we take the 39 and divide it by the 6, it's 6.1 times more shorts than there are longs. Okay. Um, there's the New Zealand dollar has gone up again. It's up at resistance. This is like a fourth day that it's gone up to resistance. It came down yesterday, but the uh, the dollar has actually gone down again today. If you look at the DXY, it's shorted against the baskets of currencies. So that's affected everything on the board really. We're still observing the trend line. We're below the 69.1, so basically this should just be sideways movement. USD CAD, we're down on the bottom again. Again, the US dollar has actually lost uh, against the basket of currencies. We are waiting for this to turn. Our commitment to traders, the commercials basically are in balance, slightly short. So, we have come to a turning point. I don't know how much further this has got down. I've put my trend line on. I put my trend line on the RSI. It bounced off today, so we'll have a look at that tomorrow. USD, Japanese yen. This is the only one I've got that's actually benefited from a weak dollar. The commercials are short 4.24 to 1 on this pair. So that they're actually long the Japanese yen. So that would be 41 to 174,000. So, 41,000 to 174,000. And they've added a large position last week. So we are expecting to see that strengthen. USD Mexican peso. We're about on the bottom again yesterday. We did have a bit of green candle, a little bit of a red one this morning because of the weakness in the dollar. Hopefully that'll improve. There were more shorts added for the Mexican peso, so we are expecting this to go up. Euro GBP, we're about at entry. It hasn't done anything for the last few days. We're below 69.1 on the RSI. So that basically, and this is a weekly chart. Whoops, that's the daily chart. We're just about on the 50. So we're just above the 50, sorry. 3.4 to 1 short for the pair. We're looking for this to short on down. It's had a couple of candles up. Leave it a couple of days, see how it goes. The pound New Zealand dollar, this is gradually going up. We had a bit of an up candle yesterday that faded on back down. We're above the 50 on the RSI. Basically, I think this is just going to sort of amble on up, but the divergence on it is a 7.25 to 1 long for the pair. So that's it. AUD Japanese yen. This is quite interesting, and again I'm on a weekly chart. This is a daily chart. We're looking for this to cross the RSI to signal a short. We're 8.6 to 1 short the pair. Obviously long the Japanese yen, short the Australian dollar. So there is a lot of downside in this, and I'm hoping to really catch into it on the way down. You've got nearly 700 pips short. So we'll see how that goes, and more power. But basically at the moment everything seems to be going the wrong way. Keep an eye on the trend lines. Wait for this to dip back down. The market will turn. The commercials are heavily with us. So it's just a matter of waiting for the turn. But this has been painful the last 2 months, so I must confess. And I'll be glad when it lets up. Okay, thank you for watching. Cheers.